Hi everybody, welcome back. This week we are working on September 28th through October 4th, and I cannot believe that we are almost in October. This month has completely flown by. Do you feel that way? It certainly did for me. I mean, I can't believe that it's been almost 2.5, 3 weeks since I was on vacation. Anyway, so what I wanted to do this week is completely do a fall spreadsheet. October will probably also be a fall spreadsheet, or not spreadsheet, I'm thinking work-wise. I'm sorry. Anyway, a fall spread. So anyway, I will be working with these two books, the Squat Goals, Happy Planner and Happy Planner Fall. I went to Michael's yesterday to look at the new fall book, and I just felt like it was more quotes and stuff than anything else. And since the fall book is new to me, I figured I'd just use that. I did lay out some of the stickers that I wanted to use. And while I was at Michael's, I did find this. It was by Reflections. It was a 5-piece. And it was different colors. It was thinner washi tape. So I pulled this orange. And you know, in the stores, it's really, really hard to find orange. So anyway, if you guys know where you can find orange washi, especially like thin washi, even thinner than this, please let me know in the comments below. That would be great. I apologize for this thing right here. I share this space. My children do have podcasts, and they also have YouTube station or YouTube channels. So I share the table with them, and this is for their microphones. Anyway, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and pull these pages. And we'll put the book aside. Here we go. We're going to work with this page first. I'm only putting the tape, the washi tape on this line, the blue line, because most of the stickers that I have, even though this sticker has blue, I really want to keep the spread more of the oranges, the greens, and the mustards. So let me go ahead and add some washi to that blue line. So how's everybody doing? Are you guys excited about this cooler weather? What areas are you in? Do you have cooler weather right now? Or maybe some of you, it's been cool for a while. I'm looking for my little card that I use to cut my washi with. So let's go ahead and do this. And I don't mind that the blue is showing, through a lot. Let me go ahead and clear that a little bit. Oh, what is wrong with my hand? That is not going on straight at all. All right, I don't know if I did more damage or good, but that's okay. It's all for fun, right? This might drive some of you crazy. I know if I was watching, it probably would drive me too, but actually you can't even see the white out. All right. There's that one. And let's get the tape on this one. Oh, forgot my little tape. Alrighty. Let's go over it one more time. Okay, this stuff is great. I mean, what did we do before? I know what we did. It was that, what's it called? That liquid stuff, and it would get so goopy, and when it got on you, it wouldn't come off. That stuff is great. Okay, so let's do this. So do you guys have any plans for the fall? Is anybody traveling? If you are, let me know where you're going. My dream is to head up to like Vermont or Massachusetts and see the leaves changing. I mean, in my area, they're changing now, and they're absolutely beautiful, but I would love to visit Vermont and places like that. Okay, so I pulled this, Fall Favorites, and this could be just a list of all the things that I had on my fall bucket list. That would be kind of fun to list those things just as a reminder. I'm putting this little clear pumpkin down here too. All right. And then let's start out with the green. These stickers are so cute. On top of it, it says noted. I don't know if I like that empty space there. Well, we'll just go with it for now. Okay, and then let me see what else I was going to do. Then I'll put, oh, no, I was going to take this guy and put it up here. Oh, that's not even. This calms me. I don't know if it does for you guys too, but doing this, planning and putting down my stickers calms me down so much. It's very relaxing for me. Let me see here. All right. Oh, that's not straight. Let's see if we can get it straight. All right, there we go. Okay, perfect. That's straight. And then I have this yellow one that I'm going to go ahead and add to Friday. I'm just looking, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add this to Friday. But wait a minute, let me look at this sticker. This sticker says Cozy Days are my favorite. And down here, I could probably write what I plan on doing for next week. Let's see. Okay, that looks good there, I think. Yeah, that looks nice. And then this is going down on Friday. All right. Okay, looking good so far. So that's all I had planned out on that page. I do want to come in here. These are so cute. This is the Squad Girls. Excuse me, it's Squad Girls. So it does have I Love the Weekend, Best Week Ever, and then I Love the Weekend. But there's one in orange and there's one in red. Let me see which one. We do have some red. This is kind of reddish, although I think that's supposed to be copper, but in the light it looks like it's red. So I think I could get away with that one. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that. If I can get it off the page. We talked about this last week. Sometimes these stickers are hard to get up from the page. All right, let's put it on the weekend. I'll start it up here in this corner. And then it'll sit right down there. Alrighty, that looks cute. And then what I wanted to do is add some of these. I thought these would be really cute. And since we have all these leaves and the pumpkins and stuff, I wanted to add some of these. The garland down here to to decorate the page a little bit. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh, they're so cute. All right, and then here we're gonna get another one. There, that's really, really cute. I'm seeing some of these cute little leaves here. I think I'm gonna grab one of these. Put it right down here with this. I wonder if this green would go good under it too. Can you see that? This little green leaf. Oh, that's really cute. Okay. Let's see what else we have in this Squad Girls. Oh, these are so cute, these girls. This girl walking the dog and the bicycle. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We can put my weekend. I think this weekend there's really not much going on. So I'm going to put these two girls down here. Oh, that is so cute. These two girls, look at how cute they are. They are so, so cute. And then we have some little leaves. We can just make it look like the leaves are flying up in the air. Oh, these are so tiny. Let's add a couple more. Whoop. Alrighty. Let's add one of these big ones right there. They are adorable. What do you guys think? You think that's cute? Okay, we need something up here and maybe something down here. I think I'm gonna put this girl with the bicycle and the cat. She's gonna look really cute right there. That's really cute. I do like to leave some spaces so that I can write in. So if I have at least 1 or 2 boxes, I'm good. But this spread is so adorable. Let's see what else they've got. Okay, more girls walking, same thing. Oh, oh. Here's a tree. Let's see where we can we put the tree? Or maybe we'll just add some pumpkins. Let me make sure the pumpkins match. I think this pumpkin matches better. All right. Why don't we do that? Oh, look how cute. This is a puppy. It's a little puppy dog in the leaves. Why don't we do the leaves down here? And we'll put these pumpkins, make it look like a little pumpkin patch. I know it looks like there's a lot of orange there. Let's do something up here. Oh, here we go. Let's see what else they've got. Okay. What we can do is, we don't have a whole lot of, oh, that green really doesn't match, does it? Oh, that's too bad. What I can do, though, is use this sticker up here. Wait a minute. Okay, so that's that. And then what I can do is maybe an errands list. We could put errands right there. And that'll be errands that I'll be doing for the weekend maybe. And then let's put a remember. We'll do a remember right here. Oh, that looks cute, right? Okay, and then to buy. We love to shop, don't we? Okay, to buy. We can do, hold on a minute, let me see if there's anything I could use behind this. Let's look in this book. Oh, you know what? Actually, these would be cute. Let's do that. Put that back. And then let me look at these. Let's see. We can bring maybe this little blue in there. I just love this book, honestly. It is so, so cute. I probably say that every single time I do something with it. All right, there you go with that. And then how about this little guy? Do all the things. Okay, let's look at this layout. Oh, this turned out really cute. Okay, I think, guys, this is it. Although I might just add a few acorns, stuff up here to decorate it. Let's put one of these leaves like right here. That's cute. Probably on the weekend get coffee, so we can add that right there. And then how about this leaf right over here, and maybe one more acorn. Okay, that acorn right there. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is the week of September 28th through October 4th, and I am loving the way that this turned out. And I will post this on my Instagram page, which is called Planning with a Purpose also. And I may have it with after pen. So I may fill it out and post it. Otherwise, you'll see it posted on my Instagram page, just like this. So I hope everybody has a great week and you're enjoying the sweater weather, if that's what is going on in your area. And I hope that you enjoyed the changing of the leaves. And we'll see you next week. So have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.